Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Out here at some dirt lot that I found after my delivery. I'm gonna take the slash out and throw this 5000 milliamp SpeedTek RC 3S LiPo in here. I did get this all fixed up, hopefully. Gonna be the first test after breaking it. Put some more RPM parts in it. What did I do? I did so far I've done the rear carrier bearings and the front carrier bearings. I did have a bent shock too, so you can see in there the blue. Same with the front. So there's RPM. Those I put in. Those are RPM. We're slowly starting to do RPM stuff. I do need a new motor mount, but I zip tied that up. Same sidewinder 4 in there and castle motor. So yeah, let's get this bad boy out here ripping out in this dirt lot. Just real quick little slam out here before I got to go back. I got like a 3-hour drive back home, go back to the yard. So it's gonna be hot today. It's already hot and it's only like 9:30 in the morning. So let's get this bad boy going. Just gonna rip around in the lot. A little dusty today. A little dusty today. Yeah. Man, can't even get it to go straight. I think I have the wheelie bar down too low. It's the dirt is hitting that wheelie bar. Oh, it might help if the steering was a little straighter on. That thing was way off from being in my bag. Oh, oh, man, luckily that thing's bars there, guys. I lost that bad boy. My steering's all whacked out, but it is. I had it going straight, now it's going the opposite way. I think it's time to retire the tires. I think she blew a tire there, fellas. There it is. Yep, there she is, guys. Blew a tire. It's a little dusty. That's a little off. Yeah, I see my wheelie bar keeps coming down, so it's messing everything up. Plus I got a little too low for dirt, so we'll get some different tires on there. I got some other tires I'll put on the rear. We'll see if we can get some front ones too, but all right, there you go, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.